How to fix Discord not opening on startup. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Discord and click on user settings at the bottom left. After you click on user settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, simply scroll down and then click on Windows setting. After you click on Windows settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Open Discord at the top. As you can see, save yourself a few clicks and let Discord greet you on computer startup. If you turn this on, Discord will start on startup. And this is how to fix Discord not opening on startup. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.